Do you hear that? It sounds like someone has a huge heart on for VR development, and it sounds like that person is you. And I got great news for you. Me and Muddy Wolf are teaming up again to host the Love Bytes VR Jam. You'll have a week long from February 17th to the 24th to create your enchanting VR experiences. You can team up with others, you can use assets that you've bought. Just make sure you give the proper credits where credits are due at the end of the jam. Just make sure a few hours or even a day before to get something in, because once that jam window has closed, it's closed. After the 24th, we're going to be judging all the games for another week afterwards, and we'll get the results. So mark your calendars, head over to itch.io and sign up, and I'll see you at the Love Bytes VR Jam, February 17th to the 24th. Let's make this Valentine's Day unforgettable, and get ready to spread some love with pixels and code. I'll see you all in the jam. Love ya. Bye-bye.